Before we begin, the steps demonstrated in this video involve disassembly of parts of the appliance's gas supply system as well as its low voltage wiring. For your safety, we recommend that a qualified service technician perform any repairs to the appliance or its gas supply system. Step 1 is to remove both control knobs by loosening their set screws using a 2mm Allen key. Next, use an adjustable wrench to remove the nut behind the gas control knob, and then the anodized plate beneath. On the sides of the appliance, unscrew the two Phillips screws holding the bottom panel on. Reaching inside, identify and disconnect both red wires connected to the fan speed control on the front panel. Now we can remove the remaining 6 screws on the sides of the appliance, 3 per side. With these removed, we'll be able to remove the whole front panel. Open the door part way and grip the front panel to pull it free. If any wires remain connected to it, disconnect these in order to fully detach the front panel. Next, disconnect the 1/2-inch brass fitting under the door from the copper gas line attached to it. This step will detach the gas valve assembly from the burner. In order to disconnect it completely, unscrew the thermocouple from the inside end of the control valve as well. The wrench size for this is 8mm or 5/16 of an inch. Now, with the door open, gently turn the elbow fitting counterclockwise to unscrew it from the burner. This will grant us access to the orifice. The hole in the orifice is extremely small. It's the same size as the drill bit you see here. In order to clean it, we need something that will fit into the orifice hole without enlarging it. The spring from a ballpoint pen makes the perfect orifice reamer. Cut off one coiled end and stretch the spring out until almost straight. This spring can now fit into the orifice to clean out any debris lodged inside it. Move the spring in and out to ensure the orifice is as clean as possible. To replace the orifice, begin by threading it in counterclockwise until you feel a click letting you know that the threads are lined up. It's important to thread the orifice in carefully here to prevent cross-threading and damaging the connection. Thread the orifice fitting into its full depth, approximately 3 full turns. The orifice must be tightened down with a wrench and may require tightening of the counter nut assembled to it. Reattach the gas valve assembly by threading the copper fuel line back onto the orifice connection with a drop of thread locker. Support the valve assembly as you tighten this connection to prevent it from turning. With the valve assembly attached, we can reattach the thermocouple as well. Bringing the front panel in close, we can reattach the red wire with the 1/4-inch spade connector we disconnected when removing the panel. This connector attaches to the vacant connecting tab on the fan's on-off switch. Fit the panel around the open door, encompassing the whole firebox, and line it up with the hole for the gas control. Reattach the front panel using the screws we removed from its sides earlier. Replace the gas plate and tighten the large nut onto the threads of the gas valve. With the front panel now attached, we can reconnect the wiring for the fan speed control. Identify the red wire coming from the fan and attach this to the uppermost of the 3 tabs on the speed control. Now identify the red wire from the on-off switch and attach this to the middle tab, leaving the lowest tab unconnected. Before reattaching the fan control knob, turn the shaft of the speed control all the way counterclockwise. Align the knob with its indicator pointing upward and attach by tightening the set screw. Align the gas control knob indicator pointing upward and secure in the same way. And to finish off, we're going to reattach the bottom panel to the fireplace.